Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use our inbox to work in a team. By the way, if you haven't seen the inbox general video overview, hit the link in the top right corner. With the inbox, you can manage comments and messages from multiple social platforms and accounts using only one dashboard. You can work in a team of social media moderators, and with the real-time collaboration feature, you'll see who's doing what in real time, just as if you were sitting side by side. You can have internal discussions with other team members under specific messages or comments. You can make remote work truly effortless. So, before you start collaborating, you need to add people to a project in NapoleonCat. Go to Settings, Members, and here you can add your fellow team members. You type in the email and set permissions for specific NapoleonCat features. You can also add new members by clicking here in the top right corner. Click on Team, and then on Invite. Here you'll also be able to select or create a new team, define more specific user permissions, select a project or multiple projects, and you can even send an invitational message. Anyway, let's now access the inbox by clicking on this icon on the left. Here are all the incoming comments and messages. We like to call them tickets. You can assign tickets to other people. If there are any tickets assigned to you, you can see them inside My Tasks tab. Also, if you take any action on an unassigned ticket, this ticket will be automatically assigned to you. There's also the option to flag any piece of content. This way you can draw other moderators' attention to relevant mentions or sensitive inquiries. No one will miss an important interaction. All flagged threads are moved to a separate tab. You can also filter out the tickets by their assigned moderators. You click on Assign Moderators, choose the team member, and click on Apply. Now we can see the tickets that are assigned to me. I'll reset these filters. Another cool feature is that the inbox updates in real time. Thanks to that, every project member sees only the content that has not yet been moderated by the other person. Moreover, you can see who's doing what in real time. So with this new improved view of our inbox, you can be sure that you won't overlap with any of your colleagues and answer the same comment or message. Let's click on our ticket. You can leave internal notes, for example, if you want to provide additional information for other team members. There's even an email consultation feature, which allows users to request help or an opinion from other team members, managers, clients, or stakeholders. The recipients don't have to be NapoleonCat users, but their responses are automatically shown in this window here. If you wish to conquer social media, just hit the link down below and sign up for our free 2-week trial. And if you have any questions, just contact us through our website and we'll be more than happy to help you guys. Until next time, bye bye.